Today is Saturday and we're having, I usually try to have fish on the weekend. So what I'm having today are buffalo ribs, buffalo fish. And what I'm doing is pulling this skin off the back because it's tough. I haven't cooked buffalo fish, y'all, in years. And my mom and them went down to a fresh fish market and they asked me, called me at work and asked if I wanted some. I was like, yeah, send me some buffalo ribs. So all I'm doing is pulling that skin off of the back of these and I'll be back. That's what it looks like. Okay, so here is our buffalo ribs. This is buffalo fish, it's the ribs. They do have the bones in them and most of the bones are right here across that back part. So all I'm going to do is add, I like to add a little hot sauce to mine. Put in a little hot sauce. Okay, and now I like to use two different types of fish fry. You know, some people make their own with cornbread or with cornmeal or whatever, and that's your preference. But I prefer the Louisiana in the blue bag. I use half of that because it gets it the most crispy. And then I like the Zatarain's Crispy Southern that has a little lemon in it. So I mix those two together. And a lot of times I end up using way more than what I need. So I'm not going to put very much. I try to do half and half though. I probably didn't need to do it in anything this wide either, but for the sake of time, I'm going to use what I already had in a convenient location. Okay. So I'm letting my grease get hot. And once the grease get hot, we'll come back and start frying it. Okay, so it seems like the grease may be hot enough. So we're going to add some of these buffalo ribs. And like I said, I hadn't cooked these things. Honestly, I don't think I ever cooked them since I've been out on my own. If I've eaten them, I was at someone else's house at a fish fry or something. I haven't actually cooked them because I don't really like dealing with bones. But just want to do a little something different today. And they have a very fresh smell. You know how you walk into a fish market? That's how these smell. Very fresh. I probably could have stood to put a little bit more grease in there also. I'll bring you back when I get a batch done. All right, but here they are close up. It's the first batch. All right, y'all, so here's the rest of it. I like mine fried a little extra crispy. Let's see what it tastes like. It's good. All right, have a good Saturday.